So yesterday we installed with the default partitions. So we did not create any partitions. So what is the meaning of partitions? In Windows, what are the partitions? Tell me. What is the partition names? Windows OS. Yes, anyone?
C drive, D drive.
So Windows operating system, the partition name is like a C drive, D drive, E drive,
C
whatever.
drive.
How many partitions when you install a operating system, how many partitions you want to create that time? Suppose if you have total 1 TB, so if you want to create the partition, so like almost 300 GB for each partition. Like this, we can create partitions. The same thing in case of Linux operating system. So people called as a mount points.
Not
The alternative name is in case of Linux OS, if you take the same partitions, people call as a mount points or file systems. File systems. So here, so we did not create any partitions yesterday. We installed Oracle Linux 7.9 version with the default partition. It's automatically created partitions. So automatically means so there are like we get these partitions slash root slash and slash home. So there are a few partitions it created automatically. So I don't want to automatic partitions. I want to create a partitions like a slash U01 100 GB whatever 50 GB or 100 GB 50 GB slash U02 so 50 GB slash U03 20 GB. Like this, I want to create my own partitions while installation operating system. Once you install OS, we cannot create a partitions. What are the partitions you required? Yes, you can go and create while installation operating system in real time. So no need to worry about this installation part. In real time, who will take care? So Linux admin is there. So Linux operating system, there is an administrator is there. So they will take care. We have to tell, okay, these are the partitions we required to install Oracle PostgreSQL database. So please go and make so and so partitions on the server. Like this, we have to tell to Linux admin. They will take care the installation, the partitions, everything. Okay, so for our time being, for our internal practice purpose, so in our laptop to practice Oracle database or PostgreSQL database in Linux OS, so that's why we have to make our system so with the Linux operating system with the required partitions. Okay, so shall we go and create the same installation procedure? So the difference is we are going to create our own partitions. Okay, so okay, let me start. Okay, so you can see this is about virtual manager, Oracle virtual box. So you can see this is the mission one. So let me check the memory and details. So you can see here system, how much memory assigned 6 GB. In the system you can see 6 GB assigned, 6000 MB means 6 GB assigned for this system. So what is the storage? So the storage 200 GB assigned. Yes. So we are good. Let me go to few changes we need to do. What are the changes? Yes. Here, go to the system. You have to keep USB, multi-touch tablet. Then go to the display. Go to the storage. Yes, we have to attach the software. The control idle. So in the click on first symbol, you can add the Linux software is 7.9 Oracle Linux where you place the Oracle Linux in download or some other place. So select the Oracle Linux 7.9 64-bit. It's a you select, click on, choose yes the OS software attached. What is the size of this file? 4.5 GB. Then go to the network, click on attached network, keep bridge adapter. Click on OK. These are the changes, all the things there in this page. All the screenshots are there. You can say click on new. From creation of virtual mission onwards, we have. So now we are ready to we attached the software. We changed the properties. Okay, these are the properties we changed. So multitask tablet, then storage. Here we attach the software. Then network, we change the bridge adapter. Click on OK. Click on start. We are starting the installation on mission 1. Yesterday we created mission 2. We installed yesterday mission 2. So now if you don't want to this mission 2, you can stop. How can stop? Just close. You can stop it. Now it's power off. Okay. So now we are starting this mission 1. We are going to install. So if you wait 48 minutes, automatic boot is started. If you don't want to wait 44 seconds, click on enter. It's going to start the installation procedure again. Why we are going to installation again today? So we are going to install with our own partitions. I want to create my own partitions. We don't want to go with the default partitions. So that's why again we are installing same Oracle Linux 7.9 version. Okay, initially you can practice Oracle Linux 7.9. So after 1 month you can so go and practice. Okay, Linux 8 version, 9 version, whatever. There are different versions available, right? Oracle Linux. So if you take any Linux, the commands, the procedure, all are same. If you take HP Linux, IBM Linux, RHEL, Ubuntu, almost same. Okay, there are just less than 5% maybe difference are there. So you can say yes, started. So you can see this document you can follow. Yes, you can say we are in this page. So click on continue. Step 17. Yes, click on continue. Can say. So after once click on continue, click on software selection. Let's wait. So can say in the software selection, what we have to do? What do we need to select here in this? Which option? Hmm. Which option we need to select?
Server with GUI.
So server with GUI, you can select the right side all the options. Please start practice. If you don't have laptop, please plan to buy a laptop within 1 or 2 days. You have to make practice, or else okay, difficult to understand. First, you have to make a lab in your laptop, then practice. Can say server with the GUI selected all the options right side. Click on done. These all options in this there. Can say server with the GUI right side is selected. Then go to the installation destination. Let's wait. It's checking the software dependencies. You can see once verified everything is good, then it's allow to next option. Okay, now you can see. So now, yeah. Okay. So now installation destination, click on this. So by default selected a automatic partition. Can say automatical partitioning, storage options. To store something, we need partitions. We need C drive, D drive, E drive. So here also other storage options. So default selected partitioning. What type of partitioning? Automatically configure partitioning. So yesterday we installed with automatic partition. Now today I don't want to go with automatic partition. I want to create my own partitions like D drive, E drive, F drive. So in case of Linux, how you can keep the naming conversion for partition slash u01 slash u02 slash u03 like this slash backup slash your name also you can keep partition name. In general, in real time projects they are using like slash u01 slash u02 slash u03 slash backup like this we can keep. Okay. So for custom partition other than automatic partition, you have to select this. I will configure partitioning. Which option we have to select? So we have to select this. I will configure partition. You can say the same. I will configure partition. Then click on this. What is the storage assigned for this? Can say so 200 GB total. How much storage we initially we verified? How much assign allocated storage? 200 GB. Yes. Click on this. Then just follow step by step so that you don't stuck anywhere. So once you select this, click on here create. Then automatically you can say yes. Let me installation destination. Yes, I will configure. Let me rescan this. No disk selected. Please select a test one disk. Yes. No disk selected. Yes. Okay, let me go to. Okay. So automatic partition. Okay, done. So then automatic partitions. Network host name. Let me give this one. Mission1.oracle.com. Here enable configure general tab automatically save done. So this configure partition on disk selected to that GB disk summary boot loader. If you want to select time, you can okay. Just can say our 729 Asia Kolkata 24 hours. Done. Then installation partitioning. I will configure partition. What is that? This option we need to come. Okay, let's wait. Select click here to create them automatically. Yeah, can see when you disk select disk, so click here, create them automatically. Let's create, can see it's automatically created. Now you can change the, now you can add your own partitions. Slash home, how much added, how much added, how much allocated? 143 GB. So now, so just you can make it slash home 20 GB or so 40 GB. So how much left, you can see, can see. So slash home 40 GB added. So slash root you can add. So slash root file system you can add 40 GB. Now can see available space. How much available space? Total 200 GB. For out of 200 GB we allocated slash home 40 GB. Slash boot 1 GB. Slash root file system 40 GB. 40 plus 40 80. So swap we added 6 GB. So now available space 115 GB available. You can create your own partition using available space. Total 200 GB. Yes, out of 200, I used 8 GB for 40 this one, 40 this, 40 this one, remaining 1 GB, 6 GB. Now you can create, add. You can see what partition you want to add, slash U01. Okay. So how much capacity? Suppose 30 GB I want to add. 30 G. Can say add mount. Slash U01 30 GB added. Desired capacity. Mount point means this is the name. How much added? 30 GB added. Now how much available space? 85 GB. You can create your own partition. Still 85 GB available. Click on plus. Slash U02. How much you want to add for this? So 30 GB. 30 G. Add mount point. Yes. Slash U01 added. Slash U02 added. 55 GB still available. Available space. Suppose slash backup. Slash backup. How much you want to add? 30 G. Add mount point. Okay. So then, so slash home 40 GB. Root 40 GB. Still 25 GB available. You can slash data. Your name also you can give. Whatever you can just give slash your name, that is mount point name. So how much available? 20 GB. Yes, almost all the available space is now 6 GB only. So total 200 GB. So you can say you can add 37 plus 30, 67, 67 plus 90, 97. So 140, 160, 160, 40, 180. This flash board 1 GB. So internal it takes. Like this, we can create our own partitions. Okay. So now click on done. So these all the steps here is there. So you can say, so when you select a disk, click on disk, here this option will come, then click here to automatically create. Once created automatically, then you can change. You can edit and change. So you can add, you can say slash U01, slash U02. Like this, you can add under, you can proceed. How many partitions you require, you can go under add. So click on done. Yes, accept changes. So now we are good. Software selection we good. Server with the GUI. So installation or destination custom partition selected. It should appear custom partition. Yes, custom means someone created. It's not default partitions. Okay. So network host name. We already enabled network host name. This Ethernet get enabled on. So here we given a host name. The same mission1.oracle.com. Here configure. You selected this one automatic connected this network when it is available. Click on save. Click on done. So then if you want to set up date and time, you can set Asia Kolkata zone. So now we are good. Now start begin installation. So give the password. So what is the default user? Root. So we have to provide the password. For root user, we have to provide the password. Click on done. So it's asking create some user ABC. Yes. ABC password. ABC password. Sample user. It's asking to create one sample user. So this root user is the super user, admin user in Linux environment. So we have to provide the password for root user. This ABC user, sample user, just is asking to create one user and assign the password. Now it's preparing the all the binaries. Now started installation. So how many binaries selected? 2004 binaries selected. Out of 2004, it's installing one by one. As of now, 55 binaries installed, 55 packages installed. So once installation all the binaries, then it's asking the same procedure. It's asking to reboot the machine. After rebooting, we have to so select the license information, then click on next, finish. Then we can log into this machine also with root user and password. What password we given while installation? Clear any queries from anyone? Okay, meanwhile, we'll log in and see yesterday we installed one mission. So we'll log in and check. Okay. So this mission yesterday we installed Oracle and same operating system. How to start this mission? Mission 2. Select the mission to which mission you want to start.
Okay.
Click on start. Yes, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Hello? I'm audible? Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir,
Hmm. Go ahead, Ram. Hello?
hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. I am audible.
Sir,
I'm able to hear you.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది మిషన్ 1 పవర్ ఆఫ్ అయిన ప్రతిసారి మళ్ళీ రీఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందేనా?
మిషన్ డిలీట్ చేసే
డిలీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మనం రన్నింగ్ చేయాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్
స్టాప్ అవసరం లేదు జస్ట్ వన్స్ మిషన్ యూ స్టాప్ ఓకే సో దెన్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ ఇట్ దట్స్ ఇట్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ వన్ టైమ్ ఓన్లీ సపోజ్ ఇన్ విండోస్ ఇన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ విండోస్ ఓఎస్ ఇస్ దేర్ రైట్ ఇఫ్ యూ షట్ డౌన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ when you starting the laptop again you want to install no right suppose if you take mobile when you purchase the mobile Android OS is coming right so when you switch off and switch on will it ask reinstall Android operating system?
No, sir.
So same way, this laptop also same, virtual machine also same. The installation operating system one time is required. Once installation is done, yes, whenever you start, the machine is started.
Okay.
OS already installed, not required a second time. First time only installed.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You can say yesterday we installed. Let me start. You can say it's not asking to install again. It's already installed. Yes, we have to wait till mission complete start. Then we have to log in the default user root password Oracle yesterday we given. The what password you given while installation, the same username password you have to log in. Let's wait to complete start mission 2. Now can say the mission is started. So which user we need to log in? Root. So not listed. Click on not listed. Give the username first. Then click on next. Then give the password, root user password Oracle. Click on sign in. We are able to log in this yesterday mission, not today. Mission 2 is yesterday we installed. Now we are able to log in with root user and password. Let's wait. The other mission is going on. The installation is going on. You can see mission name, computer name, you can see. This is the mission 1. Installation is currently running. This is the mission 2. Yesterday we done. Yes, we started, completely able to log in. Now the Ethernet card is connected state. It should be connected state. Now you can see this is the desktop. This is the mission 2 virtual mission desktop. Each mission there is a desktop is there. How to open the terminal? Yes, anyone? How to open the terminal? Anyone installed yesterday? Still searching for laptop.
Right click.
Okay, so on the desktop, just right click, open terminal. So this is the terminal window. There we can give the commands. So you can say yes. So now How to know the host name? Just type host name and enter. It gives the present this server host name mission2.oracle.com. How to check the memory? Free-G. How to check the mount points, partitions, df-h. Like this, these all the commands will discuss every day 20 commands. So 4 days, 4 into 20, 80. With initially we told almost 60 commands are there. So next 3 to 4 days we are going to complete this Linux installation part. Okay. So if you go with the default partition, these are the partitions available. Root file system /home, it's assigned /home 144 GB. /boot, these all are default partitions created. These are all default partitions. We did not create any partitions. Its system is created automatically. Okay. So let's wait this installation. When you log in this mission, you can see our own partition /u01, /u02, u03, because we installing this mission OS with a custom partition selection. We created some partitions. Okay, there you can see. So all partitions including custom partition u01, u02, like this. Okay. So any queries from anyone? How many people are still waiting for laptop? How many have laptops? Avinash, do you have laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have 8 GB RAM only, sir.
Ashlata, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you join, just change the name, okay? So that I
Okay, okay.
okay, just you can remove Avinash. Okay. Just you can keep your name. So there is a so we can change the name. Okay.
Okay, okay,
You
sir.
joining it's the name display. So then you can remove, you can keep your name. Okay. So that I am aware of. Who are
Okay.
okay, thank
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మిషన్ 1 మిషన్ 2 డిఫాల్ట్ పార్టిషన్ ఓన్ పార్టిషన్ రెండు
you.
క్రియేట్ చేయాల్సిందే కదా సార్ మిషన్ 1 మిషన్ 2 కి
Okay, so default partitions ante okay. So okay, these are the partitions available. You can see this is yesterday installed with the default partition. Here we don't have /user1 /user2.
ఓకే సార్
So okay, if you want to create, if you want to add your own partitions along with this, yes, we can add. Actually, it's not required /home. With the default partitions, it's created. So we don't require a /home. We require /user1 /user2. So you can create, you can install operating system with a custom partition selection. So that's we are currently it's going on. Once this installation finish and login, then you can see the difference.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, let's wait 5 more minutes. Okay, so
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Ram means who is complete name, please.
Narasimha
Narasimha,
Reddy, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so join with your name. Okay, today onwards you can tomorrow next class onwards join with your name. Okay, so that
Yeah.
I can understand.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay, you also have laptop, right?
Yeah.
Okay, MDR means Akil. Who is that guy name? MDR, may I know full name? Hello,
Sir, Ravindra, sir. అది చెప్పారు కదా.
Ravinder. Okay, so okay, join with okay. So your name Ravinder, please. Next class onwards. Nagamani. Okay, Popchi. Rashid. You can keep your name. Please keep your names next class onwards. Okay. Sheshanjali. Okay. Okay, just join with your names. Okay, next class onwards. Let's wait. Almost done. 1400 packages installed. Let's wait. Just okay, get the laptop or start practice. Okay, then only it will useful. Okay, lab is available. If you want to come to lab, you can come at 10 o'clock a.m. IST. Till 5 p.m. lab is available. Who are available in Hyderabad, please come to lab and start practice. Ashlaka, so did you try yesterday installation?
Oh, sir, RAM not there, sir. 8 GB
Oh,
RAM
how
only,
much?
sir.
8 GB? Yeah, 8 GB. Okay. Yeah, yes. So
I will
when?
install tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just you can get additional 8 GB one.
Oh, okay, sir.
So that 16 GB it will be there, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you all complete the installation at least 1 or 2 times in the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, then we'll start the commands on Monday. Okay, Monday onwards we'll start commands. So before just at least you can start practice. If you not, just list Monday onwards, you can start the practice. Because Monday onwards, we'll start the commands. Just we'll log in daily this mission 2 or mission 1. We can daily all the practice in this mission 2 only. It's one time required operating system installation. So like mobile only. So if you when you purchase mobile, okay, Android OS, some OS is coming right along with mobile. So okay, when you switch off and switch on, it's not required. When the software is corrupted, that time we have to go to mobile shop and we again. So that time they are again installing Android OS. So in this also some files are missing, not able to this operating system. Then that time we have to remove that mission. We can create new mission and installation is required whenever some files are corrupted that time. So until unless it's not required, it's required one time only, the installation part. Okay, so it's almost done. Okay, so Monday onwards we are okay. Just ping me who are interested, continue this training. So we'll add you into WhatsApp group and okay, before Monday just try to pay the first term fees, then we'll continue. Okay, we'll change the Zoom link also. We are not using this current one. So okay, you can just decide on that. We given almost 5 classes. Okay, so So almost done. It's performing post installation setup. Let's wait. Almost next it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see, so click on reboot. Oracle Linux now successfully installed, ready for use. Okay, click on reboot. So it's rebooting the virtual machine. Once reboot, there is a Linux license information we have to select. Then we have to click on next, finish, so that we can log in this mission as well. Let's wait. So while starting and stopping, don't close this. Complete when you finish, complete start, then you can log in. When you complete stop the mission, then only you can shut down your main laptop. Let's wait. Okay, so let's wait. So you can see. So here license information. So you have to select accept check mark, click on done, then finish configuration. Okay, so now the installation is completed. Let's wait. We'll log in and check the partitions. So last, okay, so you can see now click on not listed, root, Oracle. So the common default user root is common for any Linux operating system. If you install any mission, the default root username is root only. The password, yes, you can maintain. You can give any password. So now you can see the Ethernet card is connected. Okay. So now, so this is the desktop for this mission one. Now how can open the terminal? Just right click, open terminal. Okay. So this click on next, finish. Yes. Open terminal. Now you can see. So yes, here I can give the commands host name. So host name to know the host name. So what is this server name? mission1.oracle.com. Okay. So now free -G to know the memory details. So to know the partitions, how many partitions are there? Can say here how many partitions are there? File system or partition. So /u01 /u02 /data /backup. These four we created our own partitions. The remaining all are same. If you go with the default partition, so you can see in other partition we could not see our own partitions. Here you can see default partitions only. /home /boot. These are default. It's required these partitions. So if you want to create our own partitions, yes, while installation you can create. So like this /backup /data. How much we assign /data? 20 GB total. Size is 20 GB. How much used? 33 MB only. M means MB. G means GB. How much used percentage? So 1%. So only here 16%, 17% used /root file system. So because OS is installed inside this. Some internal files also created. So that's why it's occupied 6.7 GB. The remaining all are it's 1% used. /boot 64%, 24%. What is the /boot total? 1 GB only. 10414 means 1014 MB means 1 GB. Okay. So like this we can install Oracle Linux operating system with default partitions or with non-default partitions. Okay. So anyone any queries from? Let me stop recording.